Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to change your bank account info in TurboTax using the updated 2025 steps. It's super easy, but you'll want to follow along so everything goes smoothly. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the TurboTax website. Just type TurboTax into Google or whatever search engine you use. Once you're on the site, click Sign In at the top right and log into your account. Make sure your username and password are correct. So you don't run into any issues after you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the Federal tab and click on that. That's where your federal tax return stuff lives. Next, head over to the File section. This is where you manage how you want to file your taxes and set up payment options. Find the part that says your tax payment info and click on it. You'll see a Continue button. Go ahead and click it to move to the next screen. On the next page, choose Direct Debit from my bank account. This lets TurboTax take payments or send refunds straight to your bank. Easy and hands-free. Click Continue again to move forward. Now you'll see a section where you can enter your new bank account info. Type it in carefully. If there's a mistake, it could mess up your payment or refund. Once everything looks good, just save it and you're all set. Super simple, right? Now your tax payments or refunds will go to the right place. Thanks for watching.